How to add seats after booking on Frontier Airlines. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Frontier app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. After that, click on Home at the bottom left corner of your screen. After you're in Home, click on Manage Trip. After you click on Manage Trip, here click on Add Your Trip here. Then add your last name and then your confirmation code. After you've added your confirmation code, click on search, and after you search, you will find load your trip options. You can go to load your trip and then select add seat selection. After you click on add seat selection, review available seats option, and then choose the seat you want and then continue to the pricing and pay if required. After you do that, you're good to go. This is how to add seats after booking on Frontier Airlines. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.